Well, this is already open, but we'll go over what's in there in a moment. I mean, we don't have that much stuff, but we have a decent sized unboxing. I wonder what all this stuff is worth. I honestly have no idea, but you guys probably do because it is in the title. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the video. Today we are going to go over what I bought from Palace last season. Not this most recent season. As you guys know, this most recent season did drop. I did do a season preview, and I want to say something. You guys have been literally murdering it with the likes. You guys have been killing it. So much, in fact, most of you guys should be incarcerated and sent to jail for murder. Okay, that was a really corny joke. Even with the views, like my last 3 videos have done way better than normal. Usually I get between like 1,000 and 1,500 likes, but my last 3 videos got 5.4K likes, 2.8K or 2.9K, and then I think the other one's at like 3.5 or 3.6. Now in the last 2 videos I said that if you guys could beat the 5.4K likes from the Supreme season preview, I would give a Supreme t-shirt to a random commenter on my Instagram. That being said, they did fall short. Although you guys were killing it, you guys still fell a little bit short. Okay, a lot of it. But those videos are not nearly as popular as the season previews. The season preview is like one of the more popular videos I do on this channel. In fact, I think it did as many views as both those videos combined. But I say that to say this. I'm gonna make it a little bit easier on you guys. If this video gets 3K likes, that is just more likes than the least liked video of the 3. If this video gets 3K likes, I will give away a Supreme t-shirt to a random commenter on my Instagram. My Instagram is, of course, @thestarlife. That's TheStarlife. That's gonna be somewhere on the screen and in the description down below. And then, of course, make sure you're liking and commenting on my recent photo. Just leave a nice little lovely comment and I will pick a random commenter to win a Supreme t-shirt if this video gets 3K likes. So make sure you smash that like button, and then while you're down there, leave a comment and let me know what you guys think of these pickups. And you guys should especially like the video because as you can see, I shaved the pubic hair off of my face. I'm looking oh so clean today. And of course, that is thanks to Dollar Shave Club. Huge shout out to Dollar Shave Club. Dollar Shave Club is a sponsor of this channel. In fact, since this is an unboxing, we might as well unbox the Dollar Shave Club package. Bam! Okay, so as you can see on the front, it says, oh, shave time, shave money.
She looked like shmoney.
Oh shit, they got some like different stuff in here. Okay, so they actually included a toothbrush. This toothbrush looks like the Lamborghini of toothbrushes. This thing is fancy, look at that curve. Some shave butter. I'm telling you, you can't smell me right now, but oh my goodness, my face is smelling oh so delicious because of this stuff. I actually spent my own money on a big bottle of that. I've spent my own money on Dollar Shave Club as well. Like I've spent money on their hair gel and the big bottle of their shaving cream because it's absolutely delicious. Another razor, some razor heads, which I actually need, some hair and scalp shampoos. Ooh, your boy is gonna be smelling oh so good. A little daily face cleanser, a body cleanser, and what is this? Is this toothpaste? Oh yes, it is. All of these good essentials for your body. Huge shout out to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check them out. That will be in the top link of the description. They have a ton of different goods besides just a subscription service that you see a lot of YouTubers put on for. They have literally everything for your daily morning routine. Any toiletry you could dream of, they have it, even the One Wipe Charlies. In fact, I even heard a rumor, this is not verified, that Kevin Gates and his family is a firm believer of the One Wipe Charlies.
I'm a gangster nigga, real niggas eat booty.
First up, I want to open the big package because I already know what's in here and I've been wanting to try this thing on for quite some time. So, cracking into it, we have, wait, am I right about this? I think that, yes, I am, baby. This is the puffer. I do not know the exact name of it. As you can see, this bag is ginormous. I hope I got the right size. Please, for the love of baby Jesus, not like the baby, but you know. Oh yes, size medium. Okay, as you can see, this thing is so freaking gorgeous. This is the Palace puffer right here. You got the little Palace tri-ferg right there. You have these 3M hits going around the jacket, and then of course you have the button top, and this thing actually unzips completely, which I'd probably unzip this. And then, ooh, the quality of this is actually nice. These are Riri zippers, size medium. Inside, you have some reflective hits as well with the tri-ferg in a little pocket. This thing is so freaking sexy. I love the orange colorway. I know my friend Boone also acquired this. Oh yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Dude, even on the wrists, you have these little Palace accents. It says Palace. The attention to detail is actually quite nice. Also, this is the Pertex Quantum material, which is probably why they called it the Palace Puffer or whatever it was. And I was just saying in the season preview that I don't have any materials or any jackets that use the Pertex Quantum fabric, and now I do. Anyways, without further ado, getting into the next package. I do not need the knife for this because these have serrated edges. Why did I don't know why I don't even smoke, but I did get this right here. I think I just got this to resell. As you can see, you have a play on the Palace logo, but it's got a little, you know, device that is used for campfires. Don't demonetize me, YouTube, especially since you just tried demonetizing my last video. But anyways, getting in the next package, we have a couple t-shirts. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I can't believe I got 2 of these in one order. So this right here is the Octo t-shirt. Now these are so freaking nice. I do not know which one I want to open. Okay, so I'm probably gonna keep, I kind of want to keep the gray one, but nonetheless, this thing is so freaking sexy. Look at this. This is like by far one of my favorite tees from last season, and it's better than most of the tees this season as well. You have the Palace logo right here. It says Palace, 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 and then you got a little octopus inside. And then on the back, you have that same graphic except a lot larger. You have the Palace logo in 3 different colors: blue, turquoise, and purple. And then you have this little octopi right here. And I did get 2 of those, so definitely a nice piece to have. I do not know what those are worth, but I will, of course, be putting the StockX images of those pieces on the screen so that way you guys can get an idea of what each of these items are worth. And hopefully, if I can, I'll try to get the retails as well. I know a lot of people that watch my videos resell stuff, and so you never know what pieces are gonna go for. You kind of just have to buy, like, guessing, I guess. Anyways, you never know. So, next up, we have another plethora of goods. We got, what the heck is this? This is another, campfire tee. The official name is, of course, the Machine t-shirt. Ooh, yay, a white on white tri-ferg. Don't have any of those. Anyways, and then I think this is the, yeah, I think this is the Cowboy hoodie. This thing is so sick. This was like by far one of my favorite pieces. You got Cowboy 2 right there. And then on the back, you have this like little Game Boy logo. You got this guy delivering newspapers. But then, of course, you have 3 newspapers making up the tri-ferg logo. Now, this graphic is kind of pixelated, and that's the idea that they're going for. It's kind of like a vintage Game Boy style. The hoodies of this piece were by far the sicker pieces. I don't really know why I copped this. I think it was probably like just a last minute purchase. I think it's a sick hoodie. That being said, I don't really know if I'll keep it because I have so many damn hoodies. And I feel like that piece probably isn't going for too much over retail. Now, getting into some other... Wait, is this the last normal Palace package? We got the tri-wobble tee and the finger up tee. Now, the finger up tee is by far... that's definitely going to be a personal accoutrement. Open this bitch up, and as you can see, you have the black Palace tee. You got the middle finger. It says P-A-L and then Ace. Now, this is actually really nice printing. This is a 3D print, so it actually comes up off of the actual t-shirt. It's kind of hard to explain the 3D prints, but if you've ever felt one in person, you know what I'm talking about. The quality of this print is nice. It's like a puff print. Like a freaking power puff print. Anyways, so next up we have the tri-wobble tee. You have the tri-ferg right there on the breasts, and it's kind of distorted, and then on the back you have what looks to be some kind of recording device, maybe used for the FBI. This is probably what they use to incarcerate 6ix9ine with. I do not know, but as you can see, it says Palace, Palace. It's all distorted, kind of a cool little t-shirt, and I just wanted to cop it. Now, although those are all the Palace packages, we do have some other Palace pieces to show off. For example, one piece we have is this delicious piece that I already opened right here. This came from Ralph Lauren, but this is the Palace Ralph Lauren collaboration. Now, you have these like pajama style pants in the buffalo plaid colorway. This is the more popular plaid style. I do wish these were chinos, if I'm being honest. They fit kind of big, so I really would not recommend copping these unless you're like, I don't know, tall. For that reason, I will probably end up selling these. Like I said, I did get these off of Ralph Lauren's website, but yeah, I'm just too short. I tried wearing them. They're super, super cozy. They're sick as fuck too. If you look right here, you have the Palace embroidery with the Ralph Lauren horseman. The MSRP on these were $195 freaking dollars. Now, I got one other little item. Actually, sorry, 2 other little items, and those items include this hat right here, which is by far one of the sickest pieces that they dropped. You have this multi-colored little plaid design right here, and you also have this little fold down. If you pop that button off and then you pop that button off, you can flip this down to keep your ears warm. You have Palace embroidered on the back. You have Palace with the little horseman once again embroidered right there. And then of course you have the StockX tag because your boy definitely took the L that week. This thing just hit me in the mouth. Definitely took an L that week, and I was unable to acquire this item, although I really wanted it, so I had to cop this off of StockX. And the other item that I needed to cop off StockX was, of course, this delicious little Palace Ralph Lauren bear. Now this bear is definitely a lot bigger than some of the other bears. For example, as you can see, I have the FTP bear. You guys may know that I do have the Supreme bear as well. And the Polo Palace bear is a lot larger because this is like a standard Ralph Lauren bear. That being said, this thing is so freaking sick. You have the knitted pea sweater right here with some jeans, some little denims, a little leather belt right there. This thing is so fucking dope. Bro, I'm just like so stoked. Even the denim says polo. It has like a little polo tag. Like, this is such a sick bear to have, and I'm so stoked to have this in the bear collection. And of course, he's made some friends because I have like literally every bear you could think of. I have a polo bear, Tommy Hilfiger bear, Tommy Hilfiger lion, North Face bear. Damn, I am a total loser. But yeah, anyways, man, definitely a sick piece. This thing is definitely going for a lot of money. Even retail on it, I think, was like $300, which is way too much. I just got it because honestly, I have all the other bears and I wanted to make sure to add that to my collection. Now, that's all the Palace that I got from last season. Honestly, Palace hasn't really been doing it for me too much. They're still dropping some bangers, and honestly, even this season, the first drop, I did get a couple items because there were just a handful of items that I needed to pick up. If you want to see that unboxing, of course, like I said earlier, smash that like button. If this video does get 3K likes, then I will pick a random winner on my Instagram and send them a Supreme t-shirt. In fact, I'll probably give them the option. They can pick whether they want a Palace t-shirt or a Supreme t-shirt. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and then go comment on my recent photos, just showing some love. Of course, while you're helping your boy out, make sure you check out Dollar Shave Club. That will be the top link in the description down below. Anytime someone helps out the sponsor, it does help out the channel as well, so please check out that link down below. And if you are thinking of using Dollar Shave Club to increase your likelihood to get the ladies and look oh so clean, because trust me, you do not want to look like this, then make sure you use the link below and help out the channel. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. As always, keep living the star life, and peace the fuck out.